back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Nature's Co box for the month of July. And you must be thinking this is not Nature's Co bag, but let me tell you, this is the bag which I've got in my Nature's Co for July month, and you can just see it's so pretty, it's so cute. I'm just loving it. But wait, let's start with the price first, and then I will show you what all is there in this bag. So the price for a monthly subscription is 695 rupees only. And then this, of course, you will receive all the products from Nature's Co. And as you know, Nature's Co is a really good brand. Now, let me tell you from where I've got this box. So I've got this box through Scriber. Let me tell you what is Scriber. Scriber is a website through which you can place order for your subscription boxes. And why you should use Scriber? Because whenever you buy any box through Scriber, you will save a lot of money. 10% discount you will get. I will be mentioning the code which you have to use for discount. Now, the second thing is on Scriber, you will get all the boxes, like all the subscription boxes, almost all the subscription boxes, and you can compare the boxes and then choose the right box for you, which is again a really good thing, I guess. You don't have to go to different websites and choose your box. You can just go to this website and choose a perfect box for you. Now, the third reason is that on this, you can place the order through COD, because some of the boxes does not have the option for COD, but if you use Scriber to buy the box, you will get that option, which is again a really good thing. Now let's quickly talk about Nature's Co for this month, and the first thing which I see is this beautiful bag, and I'm totally in love with this. This is a velvet vanity kit, you can just see here, and it says beautiful with a star here, and this is cute, I don't know, air kind of a thing. Then this zipper is here, this handle is here to hold it. Then once you open it, let me just open it. So this is the inside. So you can just keep your brushes here, makeup brushes, and then it has one mirror as well. Then this is the space, and you can just see it's quite spacious. So yes, overall a really beautiful bag. I love it. Super happy with this one. So this is the info sheet, and you can just see info sheet is quite big, which I absolutely love about Nature's Co, because they send all the product according to the segment. So you can just see all the different segment for your face, for your lips, for your body, like that, and detailed information of all the product, which is amazing. Now let's start. The first thing is the theme for this month, which is You Are Fab, and then the first segment is for your face. It says beautiful face, and in face they have sent us this. This is the Corn Explorating Face Pack. 25 gram is the quantity. The price for this one is 300 rupees, and it says it has pronounced pore cleaning and explorating properties that gently remove excess oil, detan, leaving the skin softer and brighter. You just have to apply it like a face pack, keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, then you can wash it off. And I've already used it. A really good scrub cum face pack, you can say. So yes, super happy with this one. Now, moving on to the second segment, which is for your lips, and it says amazing lips. And in lips, this is the one. This is the brown sugar in our lychee lip scrub. 2.5 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 170 rupees, and it says it will gently exfoliate the lips, making them soft and smooth, while lychee moisturizing property will renew the layer and protect against extreme climate. Rub over your lips using circular motion, wash it off, and or you can clean it with a wet cloth. Get pink and kissable lips with this. So yes, super cute product, and the packing is, you can just see it's super cute. And let me just open it. The fragrance is exactly like lychee. I'm super happy with this one, and I'm looking forward for this one. Now, moving on for the third segment, which is for your body, and it says awesome body. The product is Iris Mousse Sugar Scrub. 50 gram is the quantity. The price for this one is 300 rupees, and this is how it looks. This says it contains brown sugar, which is natural exfoliant, and it also rich in Iris Mousse extract that has soothing and nourishing properties. In shower or bath, you can just use it like a scrub. You can just scrub it up. So yes, looks nice, and happy with this one. The price for this one is 300 rupees. Moving on for your hair thing, I guess. And now this is for your hair. It says the product is vitamin hair conditioner. 50 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 175 rupees. It contains provitamin B5 that naturally thickens your hair, gives it a body and hold, while it gently nourish and strengthen your scalp. So yes, looks nice. 50 ml is the quantity, and this is for your hair conditioner. The edition says fresh and confident, and in this I have passion fruit pineapple body mist. 30 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is 185 rupees. This says renew and awaken your senses without passion fruit pineapple body mist. Mist on this soothing blend with moisturizing aloe vera right after a shower or bath. So of course a mist, quite a useful product in combination of passion fruit and pineapples. So let's just spray it and see. The fragrance is quite nice. Yes, I like it. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one says be smart, and in this segment I have a floral pink print pouch, not pink. Okay, I just see pink everywhere. Okay, so this is floral print pouch, free with your July edition. The price for this one is 120 rupees, and this is how it looks. And you can just open it and see. So it's very cute pouch. I like it. The quality and everything of this pouch is quite nice. What it says, let me just read out. They can hold your change and other mini accessories. Keep it from falling to the bottom of your purse. Even though they are small in size, these little pouches are ideal accessory to keep you organized, which is so true. Now, the next one is this one, which I have already showed you and I really love it. This is velvet cat eye shaped vanity bag with mirror that reminds you that you're beautiful. So the price for this one is 250 rupees, and I really love it. Super nice bag, very pretty, very pretty, very cute. So super happy with this one. And yeah, that's all what I've received. The total worth of all the product is 1500 plus. Now I've showed you all the products. So if you like it, you can go ahead and place your order for Nature's Co box for July month. That's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.